Good morning, it's your boy Alex the Vegan, back at it again. Not really 100% sure on what we're gonna do today, but we are just gonna get moving. I wanted to give you guys the intro, say hello, say good morning, happy Cyber Monday. But yeah, let's move into something else. I just wanna say hello, say that I appreciate you and that I love you and that I am here for another video. Let's go! Had to do it again. Peanut butter oats, got a little coconut sugar in there, and I added some chia seeds. About to put some hot water on it. It's gonna be so delicious. Maybe too much water, but oh well. Let it sit, let it play, let it fly. Let it fly. Let it fly like the birds in the sky. Hotter than the weather in July. There's the final product. Just mixed it all up, added some blueberries and blackberries, and wow, I am excited again to eat this. So let me take you guys along. Blueberries are gonna be kind of cold because they're frozen, but it's okay. What's going on, guys? Your boy Alex the Vegan again. Hope you enjoyed those little oats that I made. Super delicious. I don't know why, but I am just like always craving those now. For some reason, I've become a huge oat fan over the last couple months, especially with peanut butter. But I'm gonna go to the car wash my car, vacuum it, and also I'm going to be going to the grocery store to grab some goodies. It's been a couple days since before Thanksgiving. Take you along for the ride, so let's get moving. Cue the music. So just finished washing the car, ran a Sprouts real quick, about to hit the gym, so I thought why not get some juice with beets in it, get that nitric oxide flowing, got some coconut water too. You already know it's the vasodilator gang, vasodilator gang. Here is the pre-workout. Got that coconut water, already downed that, got that juice right there, it's got some beets in it for that nitric oxide. Then I got 2 dates. It's gonna be my pre-workout. Yo. About to hit the gym right now with my boy Tyler. My hair looking a little crazy because I had the hat on the whole time when I was washing the car. About to hit some legs and then I'll be back to make some post-workout food. So I'll see you guys as soon as I get back. Deuce. Swollen. Doing that hack squat. Also doing that right there. Nice little leg lifts. Okay, so right here, just doing some single leg extensions. Just one leg, nice and controlled. Single leg, get to about 10. I'm pretty sure I'm almost there. And I'll switch off to the left. Gonna do a little more on the left, it's weaker, 11. Now I'm gonna move to that calf machine right there, do some single leg calves. Probably gonna be hard to film that, but I'll try. Yeah, the 2 is gonna be too hard on this, so, I mean the single, so I'm just gonna do 2. And let's get it. Just got back from the gym. Gonna hop in the shower. Gotta go pick up my buddy. I'm gonna go get buy one get one free sushi from Tokyo Joe's. Their tofu veggie rolls, so delicious. I'm gonna take you guys along for that ride. Got a shower. I gotta pick up my friend. Then I gotta go to the restaurant. But first, I'm gonna eat a quick banana because I just finished up a crazy leg session at the gym. Not super crazy, but it definitely was very tiring. I could barely lift my legs after. So get that banana in, shower, Tokyo Joe's. Back to show you the sushi. Let's go. So I got a package from Amazon. Some stuff I ordered Black Friday. 3 boxes of the Go Macro bars. You guys know these are my favorite. I don't know how much I've plugged them in the other videos, but yeah, Go Macro. If you're watching this, I literally have eaten at least 1 of these a day for the last probably like 3 months. Obviously there's days where they weren't on sale, so I didn't get them, but literally when I have them, I go through them pretty fast, which is why I bought 3 boxes of 12. They're not cheap either. It's 24 bucks for 12, so $2 a pop. Cacao butter, and it's like white cacao butter. Cold pressed raw. There's the ingredients. Looks pretty cool, so excited to try this. I have no idea what it tastes like. Honestly, I've never had it. Probably just tastes like chocolate, but I am not sure. If you guys have any recipes or any way that you guys use these to make them good, please let me know. I would love to hear them. Just comment down below. Also got a chest strap for the GoPro. That should be pretty interesting. Now I can strap it up to my chest, go hiking, show you guys the whole trail pretty much, and any other activities I want to do. Even I think playing basketball with the chest strap would be cool, so I'm excited for that. And then the final one, here's the third box. of the macro bars right here. And right here, I got a digital scale. That way I can give you guys accurate macros and track my food properly and show you the weight and exactly how much nutrients you're getting in there. I can't wait to plug it into chronometer and see exactly how much nutrition my meals have. So super excited for that. That's what I got from Amazon, guys. So I'm gonna move to the next step of the day right now, which is gonna pick up my friend. And then I think we're gonna go to the grocery store and then go to Tokyo Joe's. Super excited for that. I'll bring you guys along. So I lied. Before I actually take off, I need to have one of these macro bars. I just need to get those gains in, man. We hit legs. I can't be waiting that long. Can't go to the grocery store, then go get food, and then come back home, and then still wait to eat. So I'm gonna smash a macro bar real quick, and then I'm gonna head out. All right, just got to my boy Riley's house. About to hit the grocery store, Natural Grocers, and Trader Joe's, and then we're gonna hit Tokyo Joe's. A lot of Joe's, right? You guys are gonna be going along for the ride. I'm not pointing at you, I'm pointing at me, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye-bye! Date nut bites, chia seed, coconut, and sunflower seeds. $4 for 10, but these are the awesome pre-workout right here. Look at the clean ingredients. Date slices, dried blueberries, blanched ground almonds, peanut paste, chia seeds, coconut nectar, sunflower seeds, dried coconut orange zest. Product of New Zealand. Dig these, $100. Look how beautiful that kale is. Some red kale, it's looking purple. OG green right here. So here's what I got at Natural Grocers, I should say. Got 2 bundles of bananas. Got some quick rolled oats, because you guys know I'm lazy. I don't like to use a pot. I like to just put some warm water over these. Nice big bag, 2 pounds. Got some vegan jerky. I usually never get this because the soy protein isolate. Not too good, but it is what it is. Moderation, haven't had it in months. Here's the Treehouse Tempeh made with some organic soy. Pretty much just plain tempeh, nothing fancy here. And then this is new. Yeah, buddy. Cheesy bacon mac, 20 grams of protein in this. Ready in 1 minute. How so? We'll find out. I'll show you guys this one. This one should be fun right here. Pretty clean ingredients as well. Yup. Nice ingredients. 20 grams of protein. Good amount of calories. Nice little meal right here. So that's what I got here. And now we're going to go get some sushi rolls from Tokyo Joe's. Tofu veggie sushi rolls. So no fish involved. Here we are. Tokyo Joe's. 16 sushi rolls in there. Tofu veggie sushi rolls. Show you what it's about here in a little bit. Done. Round 2. There's the other one right after. Need the gains after leg day. Ow! All right, just finished the tofu veggie rolls. 16 rolls total. Still feeling a bit hungry, but I'm gonna let it settle because a wise man once told me, eat until you're satiated, not until you're full. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, but as for now, I just cleaned these off. 16 rolls down the hatch. Gonna wait a little bit and then make a smoothie, but those are super delicious, especially with this chili sauce. Only was able to use one of them. Use a little bit of the coconut aminos as well. Love the coconut aminos. Super clutch if you want to go low sodium, even though it's not super low, but it's a lot lower than the regular soy sauce or Bragg's aminos. Other than that, yeah, meal is 9 out of 10, I would say, just because the roll game of the sushi rollers at Tokyo Joe's is just not that good. So Tokyo Joe's, if you're listening to this, get some more experienced sushi rollers, because these little kids do not know how to make rolls. They just keep breaking apart, and I sound like I'm ranting so much. So I'm going to just stop and be grateful for the meal that I ate, and I'm going to move on to the smoothie, and that's where I will meet with you guys once again. So I will see you when I'm making that. Goodbye. All right, so here's that smoothie I told you guys about. Got a nice good amount here, 32 ounces. Gonna be super delicious. Put a little bit of that cacao butter in there. Put in a scoop and a half of the Sun Warrior protein, and then a cup of mixed berries, 2 bananas, chia seeds, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Just a little bit of coconut milk and some distilled water. Top it all off. Other than that, that's all I got. So I'm about to enjoy this. Yo, 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 sorry I didn't record the cheesy bacon mac, but man, it was so cheesy and so smoky. Delicious, very fast and easy to make as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family. I appreciate you taking the time to watch me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Da-deuce. Da-deuce. Did I get a big enough cutting board? Made in Italy, 80 bucks. Thing's huge. It's actually taking some strength to carry it. It's like a tabletop. Man.